Hello and welcome, all pirates, to another unboxing video from Sincrono. Today, we are going to show you the magnificent Andersmann Deep Ocean Pro Driver Titanium, a diving instrument designed to conquer the depth of the world oceans, able to withstand pressures of up to 300 atmospheres or an incredible minus 3,000 meters under the sea. The timepiece comes in a sturdy and waterproof Explorer case, in black with very sturdy latches that allow it to be waterproof. Inside the case, the watch itself is well padded with foam, and in the case there are 3 strap tools, an extra strap, and the warranty card. The 47mm titanium case is meticulously and precisely assembled to allow the watch to withstand those enormous pressures. The Deep Ocean is equipped with a versatile and robust Swiss ETA calibre 2892-A2, the caliber of choice of many Swiss-made automatic watches. The timepiece has a solid case back, a 26mm lug size, an oversized and screw-down crown for an exceptional grip, even with heavy gloves, a thick and high-quality silicone rubber band, and an oversized titanium buckle. Overall, the slight curvature of the case and lugs makes it extremely comfortable to wear. The crown at 4 o'clock does not impact on the wrist too much, despite its large size. The bezel moves anti-clockwise, as it is critical for diving watches to measure the compression times. It is made of titanium with ceramic inserts to minimize scratches. It clicks clearly and safely into place. You can hear it. The effort to move it is high, but it is normal in a professional diver of this caliber. The screw-down crown is slightly harder to unscrew than a less dedicated watch, but the grooving and the size of it makes it easy work even with thick gloves. That is what you want from a professional tool like this. Adjusting the time is easy work. The movement feels tight and setting the hands precisely is very easy. Triple seals ensure no water enters via the crown. The toolkit is quite comprehensive with 3 different screwdrivers for the case and for the buckle. All of them look and feel solid and of a high quality. The box also contains the registration card with the reference and serial number for this timepiece. This timepiece is limited at 100 pieces only. Finally, the very high quality silicone rubber strap is nothing short of any professional strap used by commercial divers. This is to be expected in a specialized timekeeper like this. The crystal is free from annoying distortion and the lume is quite substantial. The case measurement is slightly above 47mm, excluding the crown. Lug-to-lug measurements show a 55.6mm with 20.5mm case thickness and a 26mm strap size. A sturdy and sizable watch then, but definitely lightweight. The extensive use of titanium and ceramic make the watch extremely light at 151 grams. This is way below average for a watch with these impressive capabilities.